Alright, I'm going to have a crack at fixing the rear windscreen wiper of a 2002 R50 Mini. It doesn't squirt, and that's just, the wiper's gone. So we'll have a look at that now. Okay, it does squirt. That's interesting, which means this hole's blocked rather than that hole. Might just put an impact on that to help it along a little bit. Fairly welded, and the spring has gone from there. It's completely and utterly gone. Right, now I've had this is the cover for the rear windscreen wiper. I've had this soaking in hot water there for a little while. I'm also just pushing a pin into the area there, but it doesn't go very far. So I'm going to have another crack with trying to jam brake cleaner through it. Just push the cover on just to see, does it do anything? There you go. Oh great, it's definitely doing something. Yeah, good enough. Right, I'm going to put that back together again. That's a spare one of these that I had. So this one's got the spring. I found the old spring from the other one, completely snapped. So they rust and snap. So that one is rusty and will probably snap at some point, but it's still there. So I'm going to put that with they are tough to get on and off, they really are. There we go, that's it on there. Yeah. There we go. So that's it on there. I'm going to give everything a bit of a cleaning off. Plenty of copper grease on that. And some copper grease in there. Okay. I'm going to get some on this yoke. Bit of copper grease in there too, I think. You might want to wind that on and off a few times first just to get the threads going again. Okay, that's at the end of the thread. Yeah, not so bad now. I'll just bring mine down.
Many hours later.
Don't forget the little bit of rubber that goes at the end. You can't even see that, but it's tiny little rubber ring that I doubt you'll ever get from anywhere ever again. I think that helps to just make a nice seal with the tube it goes in. Now, let's try that again. Okay. Why has that stopped working now? Alright, we'll try again with the plastic cover up and see if there's any water coming out at all. Flipping hell. Okay. Okay, so there is. Oops, he's blocked again. Okay, seems to be getting through again now. There you go. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Better than there was. Right, what a mess. Okay, that's easy to block up anyway. Okay. Rear windscreen wiper on a R50 Mini fixed.